to delete recent call history on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's a click on phone app. Now here's a click on recent. So after click on recent, so if you want to delete recent call history, so recent call history is showing here. So if you want to delete, so just click and hold on call and select call, click on calls and click on delete. So after click on delete, you will see your recent call history is delete. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can delete recent call history on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.